before. Like they're old trend slimes before. They're like ingredients basically that we used to use, but we don't use anymore because they're kind of like unnecessary. They changed the texture, but like I guess people just didn't like it, or I don't know, I guess we just don't use them anymore. So I wanted to retry those, and yeah, let's get straight on into the video. Yo. Alright guys, so first we're gonna do, guys, we're gonna start off by putting some base, some just glue. I haven't made slime on camera in a while, so yeah, this is interesting. Anyway, so the first thing we're gonna do, guys, is baby powder. So I feel like baby powder was like, it was not in the completely beginning, but it was kind of in the middle, and it was starting to become a trend, but then people didn't like it anymore. I think it has kind of like a weird texture in my opinion, but it does give like a cool texture. So yeah, that's there. Whoa. It goes everywhere. It's basically like kind of like cornstarch, but even like thinner and finer, and it kind of like goes everywhere. As you guys can see, like it kind of just flies everywhere. So yeah. All right, so for this one, I decided we're gonna make it a red color because I haven't made any red slimes. I always make pink. I don't really like the color red too much. So yeah, but we're gonna make a red slime today. I haven't made that. So let's mix that in. As you can see, the baby powder doesn't really mix in well. It kind of takes a while, and it just stays on the top, and it's like literally going everywhere. I'm choking over here. It literally doesn't even, like, what the heck? Anyway, so let's just continue, I guess. Oh my gosh, it goes, it's so weird. All right, I think I mixed it all, and now we're gonna go ahead and activate it. And I haven't touched baby powder slime in a while, so we'll see how that goes. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and activate it. Okay. All right, we're gonna put some activator. Okay, that's weird. It feels like kind of like fluffy slime. It's like really soft. Okay, we're gonna add some more. All right, let's knead it now. It is almost done. I have not felt this texture in so long, guys. It feels so weird, but it's like so soft. I'm excited. Alright guys, so here it is all nice and activated, and actually guys, I am absolutely loving this. Like, oh my gosh, why have we stopped using this? Like, it's amazing. And I didn't put too much in here, so I want to put some, I'm going to add some more baby powder, but I want to just keep it like this, show you guys how it is so far. But it kind of feels like more crunchy and like kind of softer and a bit thicker. But like, it's like denser, but like not thicker, I feel. I don't know, like it's weird. Like the texture is thicker, but like it's not like a thick slime. It's weird. I don't know how to explain it. Alright, so that is that for that. Anyway, so I'm gonna add some more baby powder to see like the texture, because I feel like we didn't add enough. Look at, why is it like that? Like, what the heck? It is so weird. Like, look at how airy it is. Like, it doesn't even stick. Oh, that feels nice. Usually like cornstarch feels terrible, but this feels nice. It's like all soft and stuff. Oh well, I got that error. Uh-oh, my shirt is literally all white now. I'm like, this is like a baby butt, guys. Baby powder. All right, kind of feels like it is melting a little bit. Okay, we still have some baby powder over here that escaped. All right, here it is. Okay, so it got a little bit sticky, so I'm gonna activate it a little bit. All right, guys, here it is. It kind of feels like it became a bit fluffy, and it's a bit like thicker, like drier, powderier. Definitely crunchier. All right, I'm gonna add even more baking soda again. So yeah, look at, why does it do that? It's so weird. Why does it look like the moon? All right, now we're gonna get our piece of dough, but it reminds me of dough, so put all your flour on top, and voila, you got some pizza dough.
5 minutes later.
Alright guys, so here it is. Basically guys, the baby powder kind of makes the slime like fluffy and crunchy in a way. And I am really loving it. I think I'm going to start using baby powder again because like this is amazing. Like, oh my gosh, do you hear that crunch? Like, what the heck? This is the crunchiest slime I've ever made. that's it for this one, guys. You guys comment down what you think about the baby powder slime. And let's get on to the next one. Alright, guys, next we're gonna do is hand soap. I feel like this one's like, some people still use it, sometimes I still use it, but a lot of times people don't use it anymore. So yeah, alright, so we're gonna put some base, some white school glue. Okay, that's good. We're gonna make this one yellow. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and put some hand soap. I'm using this Purcell one, Healthy Soap hand soap, and it's really jiggly, I don't know if you guys can tell. So yeah, we're gonna see. I had this for when I was trying out JSH DIYs. They didn't work. Okay, I feel like that's a good amount. As you can see, it's super globby. It's so weird, but I like it. It smells good. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and put some activator and see what we made. Seems like this slime is needing a little bit more activator than usual, so that's one little side effect. Alright guys, I'm all done making it. Here it is. It's actually super glossy and like very soft too. I actually really am loving this because it's like super soft and like super clicky and like it's literally perfect. Add some more hand soap because I want to see the different texture. I'm going to add even more hand soap. Look how jiggly it is. It's so cool. It's like jello literally. Okay, let's mix this in. I feel like this actually made it like super duper glossy and like kind of like a really nice soft, very like soft glossy slime. Alright guys, I kneaded it all in. Here it is now. It's even softer now. This honestly kind of feels like I put lotion in here, but without like the creamy effect. It just feels like a lot softer. Oh my gosh, that crackle. Alright, well I really like this and I feel like I don't know, do I like this one more than the baby powder? I don't know, because this one is super soft and like it's like super glossy and I'm really enjoying it. I'm gonna save this slime. I'm gonna wait till all the bubbles come out because I really want to see how it's gonna turn out. But yeah, I love this slime. You guys comment down what you think about this one and let's get on to the next one. And also guys, there's gonna be a little slime smoothie at the end, so make sure you stay tuned for lunch. Next we're gonna do guys is candle slime. Okay, there we go. So I feel like nobody has done this in such a long time, so I decided I'm gonna try it again. I haven't done it in so long, but I actually really love candle slime. So let me just go ahead and pop this into the microwave and wait till it melts. All right guys, so I melted the candle and now I'm gonna go ahead and put the base glue. All right guys, so here is the candle wax, the melted candle wax. This is very hot, so I'm trying to be really careful. Okay, so let's pour that in there. I'm scared, I'm scared, I'm scared. Ow, 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 ow. Okay, there we go. All right, I did it. Now we're gonna have to mix it for a very, very long time. This is probably why this nobody makes this slime anymore, because you have to mix it for a really long time. So yeah, I guess I'll see you guys in probably like a second. All right, guys. So I mixed it a pretty good amount. I think I'm gonna go ahead and activate it now. Hopefully it goes well because sometimes like it kind of cools down too fast and it becomes really chunky, and I hope that doesn't happen. Alright guys, here is the slime. I'm not completely done kneading it. I just wanted to show you guys it. It's looking pretty good so far. I think I'm gonna have to let it kind of cool down just for a little bit though, because it kind of is still warm and I feel like that's kind of like making it weird. But yeah, here it is. I love this slime honestly because it gives like a really nice smell, and I actually really like the texture and stuff because it kind of gives it like a butter slime but like fluffy creamy texture, and I really like it. But anyways, here it is. Before, I think people used to say it kind of resembled fluffy slime, and it kind of does. Oh my god, look at my hand. Look at how crunchy that is. Oh my gosh. Looks so nice, guys. Okay, I think I am literally all done kneading it. It is so stretchy and so soft and stuff. But I think I'm just gonna let it kind of just set and cool down just for a little bit, just to see the different texture it has maybe. And yeah, I'll get back to you guys.
4 to 6 more days later.
Alright guys, so I let it cool down for a little bit. It's much better now. Well, it just has a different texture. Now it is a bit more like firm and kind of like butter slime, but like a little bit different. Like it has like more of a, I don't know, like a chewed up bubblegum type texture. I don't know. You guys comment down below if you have any idea what the heck I'm saying. If you know what I'm saying. But anyways, I really like this. It really reminds me of like the little bread slimes that people make now. It really reminds me of bread, especially the color and everything. But like it has like little bubbles too. It's super crackly and I really am just loving this. It smells so freaking good, like everywhere. The whole Slimeatory smells like coffee and it smells amazing. I should make candle slimes again. I love these. Honestly, I made this slime perfect because sometimes this candle slime, it can either come out like super duper smooth or like really chunky or like this. And this is like literally my favorite. Like it's kind of chunky. It has chunks in there, but it's smooth at the same time. But it's like the perfect amount of glue to candle and it is fantastic. Do you guys see how crackly this is? It's like, it's crazy. I love this. This is amazing. Okay. All right, guys, now it is time for slime smoothie time. Oh my god, what the heck was that? Okay, let me redo that, guys. Okay, now it is time for slime smoothie time. Okay, that was a lot better. I don't know what happened there, guys. It was like a, but whatever. All right, so first we have our red cornstarch slime. Then we have our yellow soap slime. And then we have our coffee candle slime. This is interesting colors. All right, let's do this. This looks nice. It feels so nice because this candle slime is like kind of warm right now still. And then like these other slimes are super cold and it like the mixture of it actually like feels so cool. I wonder what texture this is gonna make. All right, I think I'm all done with mixing it. Ooh, that is crunchy. Actually has a really cool texture. It feels like fluffy slime. Like a very puffy, fluffy slime. It's super crunchy and I'm actually really enjoying this. Like I like this a lot. It's got like a really nice fluffy, creamy texture. Alright guys, if you liked today's video, make sure you comment down below part 2 and that is it. Love you so much. I really hope I see you next time. Bye!